There's always churches. Big churches, small churches, chapels. Ah, well, here we are. Yeah. This is in Marco. Yeah, I would say it's a little bit more empty than usual. Yeah, this is definitely more empty than usual. This is usually completely packed with tourists in there. Like you can't even get into the church. Wow, unbelievable. Completely unbelievable. On the sides it gets packed with tourists at the cafes. Let's see about the stores. I can imagine most, if not all, are closed. Wow, now that's a sight. Completely locked up. Wow. I mean, it's still a very sad sight to see. These chairs. I mean, it's unbelievable. In this place over there, they are open. Looks like, at least. But let's see. I mean, completely filled. Packed to the brim with people taking selfies, taking pictures with their family. Even though there'd be more pigeons getting fed by people trying to take pictures with them. Vendors selling different little touristy things and people selling selfie sticks. And I mean, it feels like a far off memory, which at this point, straight line through this piazza, because you're gonna have